Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Steve Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Maybe a little static there when I cover the microphone with the hat. So what I find is that mostly people jump into their form to practice, and they have I don't know if I want to say disproportionate or inordinate, but they have quite a bit of focus on the most recent move they've learned, on the most recent challenge they've found, the most recent correction they've gotten from their teacher. So that becomes their focus. Like, let me work on this, let me work on this. I got to get it. A few more repetitions. I think I'm sorry. Let me check my notes, which makes sense because that's how you get better at those things. But those things change. What it is that I'm giving an awful lot, a high proportion of my mental and kung fu energy to in the form, those things change over time. So what used to occupy my time, what used to monopolize my intention was something different. And before that, it was something else. Before that, it was something else. But the idea is, perhaps after checking your notes, perhaps after a meditation or contemplation, is see if you can recall a very early thing that occupied your time, perhaps for quite a while. Something that you feel like you have now, like I embodied that, I understand that. And return to that and appreciate that either whenever it happens in the form or in that section, do it as a repeated thing. And maybe just kind of compare how you are now to how you've been. And remember, that might be quite pleasing. You might forget how hard something that now feels pretty easy was. And that might help inspire some empathy for other new students. So thank you, enjoy, and there's always another hard part.